In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Suica card to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are going to be traveling to Japan, or if you are already located in Japan and you would like to use a digital Suica card on your Apple Wallet, you can easily do this by using the Apple Wallet app itself. So open your Apple Wallet, and at the top right corner of the screen, tap the plus sign here. Upon tapping the plus sign, you will see the option to add various different cards, including a transit card. So all that you have to do is choose transit card from the list. This will give you various different cards from all over the world, including cards available in Japan, and these should appear even if you aren't currently located in Japan. And of course, among the options, you will see the Suica card. So all that you have to do is tap it from the list. You can also use the search function if you prefer to look for Suica. Once you find the card and you tap on it, you will be able to add balance. So by default, it is going to ask you how many yen you would like to add to the card. And after you load it up with balance, it is going to be listed under your wallet. It is simple to do, and it should work on any version that you have of iOS. Simply open your Apple Wallet, tap the plus sign, and under all of the available transit cards, you should be able to see the Suica. If it doesn't appear, then you might have to reload the app, restart your phone, or even perform an update. It should be available regardless of the region, and like I said before, upon adding it, you will be given the option to add balance to the card directly from the Apple Wallet. You can use any other available payment method that you have, so any standard card, and you can see all of your transactions once it has been used. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Suica card to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.